doesn't right. To give our eyelashes that dramatic look, we either use mascara or fake eyelashes. But for how long, ladies? Why don't we venture into some natural way and solutions to grow long eyelashes? Today's video discusses 5 home remedies to get beautifully long eyelashes. Before you watch this video, please take a moment. Just subscribe our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button, then tap the bell icon so you will be the first to know when we post new videos daily. Number 1. Remove eye makeup at the end of the day. Makeup clogs the skin around the eyes, which is very thin already, and mascara is very heavy on the lashes. Removing it at night gives a rest to your lashes. Also be very gentle when you are removing your eye makeup. If you are rough with your lashes, they can become bare and may not grow back as healthy as they are right now. Your eyelashes take longer to grow back than your hair. You don't want to damage what you currently have. Number 2. Olive oil. Apply olive oil to your lashes. This will help them grow longer and stronger. Number 3. A mix of olive and castor oil. Mix olive oil and castor oil together. Now apply the resultant oil on your lashes. This will promote eyelash growth. Number 4. Petroleum jelly. Pure petroleum jelly, if applied to your lashes regularly at night, helps your lashes grow faster, making them thicker and stronger. Number 5. Green tea. Add green tea leaves to warm water and then apply this water to your eyelashes. This promotes healthy lash growth and makes them longer, thicker and stronger. Diet. You must have a balanced diet to support the growth of healthy eyelash hair from within the body. A few foods that are great to boost the health of your eyes and eyelashes are apples, guavas, most fruits, green vegetables, eggs, meat, fish. The item listed here along with other sources of protein should be included in your diet. Also keep in mind the tips given below. Remember, make sure you never skip breakfast and include some amount of fat in your daily diet. Don't starve yourself to become skinny. Eat healthy and practice regular exercise, whether at the gym or simple brisk walking. Are you ready to make your eyelashes long and beautiful? Let me know in our comment section below.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. For more daily tips, subscribe to our channel below. Thank you.